In this video, we will explore the password strength checker in Flutter. We will implement a demo program and create a password strength checker without using any third-party plugins in your Flutter applications. We will add regexp for number and letter. First, we will create a late string underscore password variable. The double underscore strength variable is equal to 0. And the string underscore display text variable is equal to the text. Please enter a password. Now, here we will start by creating the scaffold widget and also adding a simple app header and the body. Now, here we will use a single child scroll widget and inside it we pass it a child padding widget. And we also add a child widget column which takes in a list of widgets. We will add the text field method. In this method, we will add on change navigate to underscore check password value. We will deeply describe it below. Also, we will add obscure text was true, hint text was password. Let's add some decorations to the text field like the borders and the color. We will add the same decoration to the text field for when the field is focused. Let's add a sized box to get some padding. Then we will add the linear progress indicator widget. In this widget, we will add a value that was _strength variable. It will change colors according to _strength variable conditions. Add another sized box to get some separation. Next, we will add text was _display text variable and add elevated button widget. In this widget, we will add the onPressed method. The button will be enabled in this method if the password strength is medium or beyond and add text continue. Now, we will deeply describe check password method that takes in the value of the text field to check it. We will add underscore password variable was equal to value. Trim. If the password was empty and added inside the setState method. In this method, underscore strength was equal to 0 and underscore display text was, please enter your password. If the password was 6 characters less than in length, then it was weak, and added inside the setState method. In this method, underscore strength was equal to 1 4 and underscore display text was, your password is too short. I hope this video will provide you with sufficient information on trying up the password strength checker in your Flutter projects. Please subscribe to this channel for more of this type of content. If you want the source code, please leave a comment below and I will give you the link to the source code.